Hi, this is Lee from King Harvest Wellness and kingharvest.org. I wanted to take a moment and talk to you briefly about one of the most common diagnoses that we see these days. And sadly, it's a diagnosis that is on the rise and becoming more and more common all the time. The glioblastoma brain tumor, brain cancer, is one of the most common types of cancer that we see coming through the doors at our clinic these days. It's one of the most scary types of cancers that you can be diagnosed with. Obviously, a brain tumor is absolutely terrifying. There's not a lot of options as far as surgery goes. They can be very stubborn, they can be very problematic to treat through traditional Western medicine, allopathic medicine with pharmaceuticals, radiation, and other Western treatments. They tend to be quite difficult to treat for Western medicine. However, for naturopathic medicine and organizations like King Harvest Wellness, we find particular success with these types of diagnoses. They are quite reversible, they are quite treatable, and we do so very successfully all the time. There's a lot of evidence and research that shows different types of strains or phenotypes will work for different types of cancers on different areas of the body. As such, it stands to reason that there are specific types of medical cannabis flowers and the oils that we extract from them that are useful specifically in the treatment for the glioblastoma diagnosis. King Harvest makes ratio-based products 3-to-1 line of products known as Pacify. There are specific types of medical cannabis flowers or phenotypes that treat different types of cancer, and there are also more specifically different ratios that work on these diagnoses as well. King Harvest manufactures Pacify products in the ratio of 3-to-1, 3 parts THC to 1 part CBD, because this ratio is shown to work most successfully on the glioblastoma cancer. Pacify products in the 3-to-1 ratio work wonders in lowering inflammation, the destruction of the existing cancer cells, and to stop the proliferation of more mutated cancer cells being grown. Cannabis oil works on glioblastoma in 2 different phases. Strain-specific THC will destroy the existing cancer cells, while at the same time, CBD, specifically from the AC/DC plant, will help lower inflammation, restore the body's ability to make perfect cells, and therefore remind the body what the perfect cell is supposed to look like. King Harvest cannabis oils will help the body achieve what is known as the entourage effect, where CBD lowers inflammation so we make healthy cells again. Simultaneously, THC destroys the existing mutated or cancer cells, allowing the body to completely heal from within. Your best options for dosing medical cannabis oil in a glioblastoma cancer is threefold. You want to take medicine orally, also topically, and if you're open to the idea, via suppository as well. The idea is to stimulate as much of the endocannabinoid system as possible, and in doing so, by using these 3 different methods, you're going to give yourself the greatest chance of success. Starting small and titrating up is the best idea, so we generally suggest beginning with tinctures. You'll notice 3-to-1 Pacify tincture is a very good idea. It's excellent for dosing, very easy to use, very easy to understand. We go from tinctures, where we microdose and titrate a patient up to full dosing, where we're using FECO to take approximately 600 milligrams per medicine. When dosing a glioblastoma cancer, your best option is to take medicine in 3 different ways, both orally, topically, and, if you're open to the idea, administration via suppository as well. The name of the game is to get as many cannabinoids in the body as possible over the course of 90 days to reverse the underlying diagnosis. To do this, we start small. We generally suggest to begin with the tincture and then graduate up to full extract cannabis oil or FECO, also including and incorporating medical products like Green Emu Topical in the 3-to-1 Pacify form, as well as I said before, suppositories, which we also specialize in as well. Cannabis oil can absolutely help with cognitive issues related to glioblastoma cancer. By reducing and shrinking the tumor within the brain, we will restore cognitive function and improve neurological traffic. A lot of the symptoms that many cancer patients are dealing with have to do with the impeding of neurological traffic and different changes in symptoms over time as the tumor grows. If we shrink the tumor, and that is what we do at King Harvest, we will relieve pressure, improve condition, improve symptoms, and eventually reverse the underlying diagnosis itself. Absolutely. The combination of strain-specific CBD and THC will help manage the repair and the restoration of your neurological condition. As the tumor begins to shrink, which is generally going to be the culprit for seizures, the seizures will slow down, decrease, and eventually go away. Seizures coming from unknown origin will also be managed, and one of the powers of medical cannabis oil is such that even if we don't know the original source of the seizure activity, medical cannabis in most cases, 7 out of 10, will reduce, restore, and eliminate the seizure traffic also. Absolutely. One of the more debilitating symptoms and one of the downsides of cancer, as well as cancer treatment, is the loss of appetite. It's one of the more discouraging and one of the more troubling aspects to the whole equation. Pacify products from King Harvest and indica-based THC is going to stimulate the appetite and encourage people to want to eat more. Pacify will also include THC that makes patients content to rest, to be in a more sedated situation where they can rest and heal and won't necessarily want to get up and move around. King Harvest Specialists will help you incorporate all of your other naturopathic needs, supplements, etc., different modalities, different lines of healing, into a whole comprehensive healing package for you that will give you the greatest chance of success. King Harvest specializes in making custom protocols for diagnoses like glioblastoma, and we make them available to everyone so they can treat and manage their own symptoms at home successfully. Please visit kingharvest.org and look at the Pacify line of products to manage your symptoms and to help you with your family's needs. Happy healing!